So I just bought this wireless doorbell here. Main reason why I got it is my doorbell is not loud enough, and sometimes when I am upstairs I can't really hear the doorbell at all, and I don't know when the guest is coming, so I'm gonna replace it with this wireless one, or at least add an additional one to the front of the house here. Come with a little instruction manual how to operate them. And here's the doorbell. It's quite small, a lot smaller than I imagined from the picture. Didn't quite look at the dimension or anything like that. And here's come with some double-sized sticky here. All right, come with the. This is pretty much 2 chime here that you get with this one bell, and come with pretty much all that you need. And even the, all right, this is the 12 volt, smaller type here. I'm not sure what size, I guess 23A. I'm not even sure if that's the size or not. Anyways, come with this little battery here, and a little screwdriver, mounting screw. And here's the doorbell that you plug into the wall directly. And here's the music thing that you can probably change the tone. I'm not sure what that button do, but both of this are the identical unit pretty much. So here's the doorbell. I assume you just want to change the battery, you just pop this out right here in the bottom, and I believe this one go in here. Not sure, but let me read the instruction, and I'll continue with it. So the little manual indicate that use this pry tool here and pry this open and insert the battery. So just pop it out like that, and here's where the battery go. Just popped it in. All right, once you pop that in, just align it up here on top. Let's see how you do that. All right, just press together, and then just apply this here if you mount it in front of your house or something like that. So that's really it, and press onto the button. So let me plug this into the power. All right. And instantly you hear that it's working. That's the first sound. And I'm not sure what this button down here is, but let's press it. Okay, let's press the top button. Alright, so now I'm going to ring from the doorbell here, and it changed the tune to something else. Pretty cool. Alright, so the only battery you have to worry about is this little thing, and I assume it's going to last pretty long because that small side type battery, it normally lasts a long time. So let's try it out again, change the tune. So total is 36 chime. That's a lot. And they have plenty of chime for like Christmas time and thing like that. So, all right, that's the item here. Thank you for watching.